AK, and you're watching what? Kweenpin Entertainment. Welcome back, Kweenpin Kingdom. I am back with another lit video for y'all today. Alright, y'all, and this is my first ever sponsored hair video. So shout out to Arietis hair on Amazon for sending me this lovely package. Okay, I am going to be truthful because this is not a paid sponsorship. This is more like a collaboration. So I'm going to be very truthful in this review. Also, I plan on keeping it like that. I plan on being as truthful as possible in all my reviews, just so, I don't know, I don't come off like a liar, because I'm not one. Now, packaging alone is real cute, real simple. They're a smaller business, so I wasn't expecting too much. They didn't come with that much. Usually my packages, they come with like a bunch of little gifts, but because they are smaller, we're not gonna do them, y'all. It came in this cute, like, normal looking bag. It's real cute. All it came with was some wig caps in the hair, which is fine. Just the necessities, basically all you need. So I like that they came with wig caps in the darker brown shades. These are the ones I typically like to go for the most. Shout out to y'all for actually looking at who you guys were having collab with you guys and picking a wig cap accordingly. Okay, so they sent me a 20-inch deep wave, but I think it looks more like a body wave, but we'll see how it looks on. This is not only a review video, but also kind of like a mini install. So yeah, actually, it is kind of a deep wave, I'm not gonna lie. A body wave is more like loose waves and whatnot, but this is definitely just a normal deep wave. But y'all, the hair, hella soft, hella soft. I even had my girlfriend come and feel it, and she was like, that's nice. She's not that into wigs, so for her to even say it, you know, y'all know it's some nice hair, y'all. She be moving, y'all. Look at how she moving. I'm hitting myself in the face. Smell-wise, she just smells like some normal hair, so that's good. It's a regular lace, so it's pretty thick, I'm not gonna lie, but it is a nice lace, real cute. I think I can make it do what it do. I'm pretty sure I can make it do what it do. I'm gonna tint it and we gonna see. I am gonna go bleach the knots and pluck this some more. This is a pre-plucked unit, but I am gonna go through and pluck it some more just to make it a little more natural. But you guys see it? I don't know. But yeah, it's a 13 by 4, really nice lace, not gonna lie. Really affordable wig, y'all. I'm gonna link the wig down in the description, but also I'm gonna post it on the side of me here so you guys can see which one it is. Real cute. It's only like $103 for 20 inches. Y'all know that's not bad. Make sure y'all follow them on Instagram. I'll link their page too. It feels good. I'm excited to work with this. I'm excited to try this on. And so, let me go and bleach those knots and pluck this wig, and I'll be back with the install. Alright, y'all, I'm back, and now I'm finna do the install. I already bleached the knots. I plucked it a little bit, and then I already kind of tinted the lace. It look crazy right now, but that's because it has no products in it, and it's kind of been blown out. This is my second time now working on it on my big chop, and I still don't know how to slick it back, so we gonna just do it the same way we did it last time, which is super unprofessional because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna just comb some got-to-be glue in there with some spray and blow dry it. Hopefully it lay flat. I mean, I'm gonna make it do what it do, so. Go wash my hands, and this is as good as it's gonna get because yeah, I don't really feel like getting into it anymore. Okay, y'all know I be giving up on the platinum part, so it is what it is. Alright, y'all, so I washed my hands. Now it's time to put on the wig cap. Shout out to Arietis hair again for sending me this beautiful wig and these nice wig caps. So boom, y'all should already know these parts by now because there's like a 1,000,000,001 wig tutorials out there in these streets, y'all. So we already know we gonna what? Slip it on. Yeah. So yeah, this part you gotta slip it on. Now y'all know what to do next. Pull it over your face. Oh my gosh, my lashes, y'all. I forgot I was wearing lashes. Cut out them eye holes. Make them big enough for the lashes, ladies, okay? Who wanna come robbing, stealing, killing, and dealing with me? No, I'm just saying, let me not put that in here. Cut out them ears so your ears can breathe. So your ears can see. That's what you really want. You want your ears to see what your eyes can see. No, I'm just saying. Hey, I could go out like this. I look pretty cute, bald head. Ain't that right, baby? Yeah. Yeah. And y'all already know what we finna do. We finna, okay? We finna spray the got to be, okay? And we finna blow it dry it to a crisp, okay? Don't be like me. I always take it off too fast, and that's exactly why my wig cap be slipping all the way to up here when I just take it off. So don't be like me, actually. It got in my ear. It's a little sticky right here, but hey. We're gonna separate this part, separate the eyes, cut around to the ears. I think I got my face, y'all. Don't be like me. I just found out about this tip. So this is only my second time doing this. Yeah, I'm late, I don't care. But instead of cutting it all the way off, you just take this part and you lift it like that, hunty. Whoever came up with that, y'all did that. Yeah, I did that. If I'm looking over here, I have a mirror all the way back there on the wall. So that's what I'm using. So I'm low-key freeballing this, y'all. I'm finna go to a closer mirror and cut it a little closer to my hairline, which y'all know what to do. Y'all don't watch the 1,000,001 of these, like I said. So I'm about to go and cut it closer to my hairline, and then I'm gonna come back and make it do what it do. Also, I'm gonna add some more foundation to this part, y'all know, so I can match my head a little bit more and whatnot. Okay, so now I'm looking pretty crazy, but I did what I said I would do. Now, my thing did lift just a little bit, but that's because, like I said, I be rushing it and I don't care. And I got the even lace glue, Wonder Bond lace, whatever. I got their glue and I also have their spray, so we're gonna be using the lace spray and the glue today. Go and line it up. Edge here. Also, what I like to do is I like to cut my lace in sections. So I'm gonna do that. It makes it easier to lay the wig for me, but y'all don't have to. It's back to impatient me. Ooh! And it didn't break because I don't got no bad luck. Okay. It's time to slap it on, slap it on. So, yeah. What I'm gonna do before I actually put this little elastic thing on it, I'm gonna spray it with the Houghton spray, with the adhesive. Know why I bought this one, but it's okay, because guess what, I got another one. Yeah, we just gonna go around. Okay, now that you have that elastic band, leave that on there for really as long as you want to, but probably like 10-15 minutes. So I'm gonna go watch a show and leave this on to do what it do, and then I'm gonna come back. Yeah, so I took the band off, and I'm actually gonna go to the bathroom and cut it off with the eyebrow razor, because I really can't see, y'all, and I'm not gonna try to. So I'm about to cut it off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and do the next step. So I went and pulled out like some baby hair area, but like I'm not gonna have this many baby hairs. Okay, so basically we're just gonna spray again and then rewrap our head for like another 20 minutes, and then come back and see what I'm gonna do. I don't know. Alright, y'all, so I took off the stuff, and it's cute. I realized I do need to go back and part some more, or not part some more, but pluck some more. It's cute like this, like if you just want to slap it on. But yeah, y'all see I need to go back and pluck some more, clean it up. Y'all, the knots are so little, so it bleached very nicely. I'm surprised I didn't over bleach. I usually have a bad habit. It's over bleached a little bit, but okay. But no, the hair is so soft, it's super cute. So I'm gonna go wet it, add some product, and do my edges. I'm not gonna do my edges on camera, but then I'm gonna come back and get to the actual review part, because the install was just like, it wasn't supposed to be a complete install. It was supposed to be a review of the hair, y'all, but I got carried away. So let me go finish this and I'll be right back. Okay, look, y'all, we had some mess ups. Yeah, I know from the beginning it was looking like, you know, but I got it together. I got it pretty cute. Now, I'm gonna show y'all my mess up. Because I'm not no hairstylist, and I keep telling y'all this. So I'm gonna show y'all where I fucked up at. I fucked up right here. Don't look too hard. Oh, yeah. This side is cute. This side fucked up. Fucked it up. But I only fucked it up because it's a little too high up. I needed to move it a little bit closer. But other than that, like, I'm gonna go and clean it up, clean up the product. But other than that, it's cute. Now, I do need to go back and pluck some more of the hairline, you know, just so it doesn't look as wiggy. I did get it together without a rat tail comb, without the little spray, the little black hairspray stuff. It looks pretty decent, y'all. This is my best install yet, besides this little part right here. Other than that, oh, what? And it's, and she moved, y'all, and she moved. Arietis Deep Wave, 20 inches. Shout outs to y'all. This is good hair. And it's soft. It's hella soft, y'all. And I'm talking about, for a second, I thought I messed up the wave, but that junk came right back, y'all. It came right back like it never left. And so I was really feeling it. When I reinstall this later, I'm gonna fix this part. I'm gonna pluck it some more. But right now, if I was to get up and go, like, it looks good. I forgot to conceal in the middle, but that's okay. It still looks nice. It looks natural. Oh, y'all, I'm loving this wig, y'all. It's melted, honey. I'm not gonna lie. The lace was looking a little thick, so I wasn't sure how much it was gonna melt, but it ended up melting like ice cream on a hot summer day in Georgia. Okay, so it melted. I would give this hair, quality-wise, I'm gonna give it a good 10 out of 10. The cons, it did shed a little bit after I bleached the knots, but like, that's to be expected. Like, you just bleach knots. Every wig is gonna shed. Like, for people to be like, doesn't shed, they be lying. Every wig sheds at least a lace front, maybe like not the welts. Is that what it's called? The welts? Whatever, maybe not the track part, but the lace part will definitely shed. It don't matter who created the wig, okay? It's gonna shed its hair. That's not yours and not attached to its original human body anymore. So, I mean, it is what it is. But it wasn't shedding like crazy. And I don't know, y'all. It bleached really nicely. So I can't wait till like this wig is an older wig for me and I get to bring it back and revamp it. I'm gonna probably dye it and change the color. I think I wanna like dye it. I don't know what color I'm gonna dye it yet. We'll see. Y'all see a video on that somewhere down the line. I'm not gonna say anytime soon, but somewhere. Cause I'm definitely keeping this wig. I'm definitely feeling it. Got the baby hairs on fleek. And I forgot to use my little flat iron. So for the baby hairs to curl the way they did without pre-curling it, chef's kiss, y'all. They did their thing. I'm gonna put the link to the hair. $103. You cannot go wrong. $103 for 20 inches? What? You can't go wrong, y'all. You guys cannot go wrong. You just can't. You can't. Call your mama, your sister, your cousin, your brother, anybody who wear a wig and want to snatch. Call them. Especially if you a beauty on a budget. What? I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm feeling myself. This best inside I ever did, for real. So far, y'all. I told y'all we're gonna start getting better. I told y'all we're gonna slowly but surely get better at this junk. So I am. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you can see when the Kweenpin is posting, especially if you want to join me on this journey to becoming a beauty influencer, especially your favorite beauty / hair influencer. It's already gonna be me, y'all. At least I hope so. Shout outs to them again for sending me this hair. Shout outs to y'all for being my first collab ever. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you guys follow them. Make sure you guys follow me. And that's all I really have to say. So if you know me, you know what to say. If you don't, I'm Kweenpin K. And thank you so much for watching Kweenpin Entertainment. Kweenpin out.